Jamaica is an island, and it has a rich culture and a rich history, best revealed in the music and the dance. These traditional dance forms are often called Jamaican folk dance, and can be defined as any local dancing cultural tradition, often strongly connected with historic local musical forms and/or local beliefs. Here are some of Jamaicans' popular dances. Bruckens, a creolized traditional dance, is a unique mixture of Afro-Jamaican and European influences. Bruckens is a stately, dipping gliding dance typified by the thrust and recovery action of the hip and leg. It was performed to celebrate emancipation from slavery on August 1, 1838. Burru comes from Lionel Town and Hayes Clarendon. The dance has strong fertility elements with rotating action of the hip while bending through the knees accompanied by breaks of intermittent small jumps. Dinky Minnie is from the parish of St. Mary. It is usually performed after the passing of a person on the 9th night to cheer up the bereaved. During the performance, the male dancer bends one leg at the knee and makes high leaps on the other foot. Both male and females dance together with very suggestive pelvic movements. The benta, a large one-string bamboo zither native to Jamaica, is an integral part of the band. Atu dance is one of the oldest and was performed in the parish of Hanover. The dance involves lifting and dropping the elbows and shoulders, with the feet doing sideways shuffling steps. The songs are short and repetitive, using only 4 notes and sung in a Yoruba dialect. Dre is performed the night after a person's death, to cheer the bereaved. It is like Dinky Minnie and Zella with more hip movements mainly by the female dancers. Similar instruments are played to those used in Dinky Minnie, except the benta. Gumbe dance is an element of Gumbe healing cult. It was performed in the parish of St. Elizabeth and has its origins in Mile. The dance involves a series of long steps followed by vibrating sideways body movements, wheeling turns and sudden stops with the pelvic in a forward tilt. This dance is well known among the Maroons. Jonkanyo is performed by a roving band of dancers in masquerade along with a musical band. They usually perform in towns and villages around Christmas time. The musicians play well-known traditional songs with their fife, bass and rattling drums, shakas and graters. The dance characters were usually performed by men: king and queen, cowhead, horsehead, devil, pitchy-patchy, red Indians, and belly woman. Kumina is between 1840s to 60s. It is generally performed in the parish of St. Thomas to celebrate special events. Important elements in a Kumina session are dancing, singing and drumming. Maypole, also referred to as the long ribbon pole in rural areas, was part of outdoor social festivals and performed at fairs, garden parties or picnics. It involves plaiting different colored ribbons into 3 basic patterns, starting with the grand chain or basket weave wrapping the ribbons around the pole from the top. Other popular formations were the spider web, flare, dome, and umbrella. Mile is among the oldest dances in Jamaica and associated with a type of religious observance. It was performed in the parish of St. Elizabeth. The dance has a wide range of body movements and vigorous actions. Quadrille is a dance for couples performed in 3 styles. The ballroom quadrille mimics the 18th century European ballroom dance, while the camp quadrille, also known as long way, includes African elements. The contra-style quadrille is performed to Mindo music. Tambu dance is named after the tambu drum. The dance involved couples facing each other and dancing the sheshe, salion and mobumba sequences. Zella dance is rarely heard of but is similar in form and structure to Dinky Minnie. It forms part of the death observances and rituals in Portland. The main instrument played are 2 kumina drums.